Hey, my name is Jeremy Friedland, and I wanted to just leave a quick review for my New York Life agent in Portland, Oregon. His name is Gaston de la Tour, and I might have pronounced it wrong, but he's my life insurance agent, and I just want to give a brief testimonial about my experience with Gaston and why I decided to go with New York Life and with Gaston specifically. So I went looking for a life insurance agency in the Vancouver, Washington area because that's where I live. Because I was getting married soon. So I knew that I needed to be covered in case something happened to me. My wife would be taken care of. That's my primary objective. So I live here in Vancouver, the Couv, as we call it, and I wanted to work with someone locally that I could meet face to face on occasion. I just prefer that. So I met several times with other agents, and although they were nice, they seemed to come up with some good programs for me. It didn't feel like a good match to me. Gaston had passion for everything he does, not just in work, but in life as well, and for his family, and just everything he did. Really, he put a lot of passion into, and that really resonated with me because I'm the same way. I'm a small business owner, and my passion is really just getting out there and getting things done, and you have to have passion for what you're doing if you want to be successful. So I grilled him about his endeavors, what his goals were with New York Life. It was important to me because I knew that the person that I'm working with for a long-term basis, not only knows what he's talking about, but is also in it for the long haul, and that was Gaston. He really expressed an interest, for how much he likes New York Life and his career goals. So Gaston was really knowledgeable about the types of services and long-term solutions that were going to work best for me at my stage of life, and really helped me understand how much coverage would be ideal for me given my current situation, my financial situation, and everything else, which is really great because that was important to me. I didn't know how much coverage I needed. So based on what we talked about, we ended up getting a great program put together that will ensure my wife and my future family is covered when I pass away, if that should ever, it will happen, but when that happens, if it happens before she goes and my family goes, then I know that they're covered and I have that assurance. So, obviously dying is never something that you want to talk about, or think about, but it happens to all of us. We all lose our life and we all, go through the circle of life and end up the same way we got here. So, I believe that you should be as prepared as possible when that does happen. So I would recommend anyone who's not currently working with a life insurance agent to go ahead and give Gaston a call right away. And even if you are covered, you should give Gaston a call. Make sure that you have enough coverage. Make sure you have the right kind of coverage, and he'll be happy to walk you through all that. Even if you are covered now, to make sure that whoever you're with is doing a good job and that they do have the right kind of coverage, for you and enough, which is the most important part, to make sure that you have enough. Because if you pass away and you don't have enough to cover your bills and your family's expenses for a while, that's not a situation you want to leave your family in. So go ahead, and I put Gaston's phone number below here, and I would just give him a call right away. Just meet with him, see what he has to say, and see if you are covered by the right amount of coverage. I guess I don't know the terminology, but anyway, great experience with Gaston in New York Life, and I would definitely recommend anybody looking to make sure their family is covered in the event of an accident or death, that you call Gaston. So that's my recommendation. Gaston de la Tour did a great job for me. I recommend you call him too, at the number below. All right, this is my personal recommendation, and I hope that you give him a call and get covered. Thanks a lot. Goodbye.